Tired of scrolling endlessly through your contacts trying to remember whose birthday is coming up? Let's cut the chaos and dive straight into how to see your friends' birthdays right within Snapchat. First things first, make sure you've got the Snapchat app installed and that you're logged into your account. If not, download it from your app store and log in. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings menu. Tap on it. Scroll down within the settings menu until you find the birthday option. It's usually under the My Account section. Tap on birthday. This will show you your own birthday settings if you haven't already. Set your birthday here to unlock birthday features. After that, make sure birthday party is enabled. This is usually enabled by default, but check to be sure. This allows your friends to see your birthday and enables you to see theirs. Now go back to your chat screen. If any of your friends have birthdays coming up soon, you'll see a birthday cake icon next to their name in the chat list. Alternatively, Snapchat sometimes features a birthday story in the Discover section, highlighting users who are celebrating their birthdays. And that's it. Now you can easily wish your friends a happy birthday and keep those Snapchat streaks alive. Don't forget to personalize your message to make their day extra special. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Happy snapping!